Today we're going to take a look at the new M1 Ultra hot end foil tip and see if it's worth the hype. So out of the box, this is a really easy setup, just like every xTool. It's great packaging, really simple to set up. Just a couple of steps. Attach a quick bracket here to the side of the carriage, a couple of set screws, tighten those up. Put the hot end tip in the regular carrier. Make sure that you're facing out so you can see the power button. And basically you're going to stretch this cable across to the plate that you just attached. It comes with this little card for mounting a cable tie, and of course the cable just plugs into the USB port on the M1 Ultra. Super simple to set up. It took about 2 minutes to set it up, and really the only thing that slowed it down was trying to get the camera angle set up right. After logging into the xTool creative software, we can go ahead and pull that background file in using the background app capture with the mobile XCS app. Pull in the text that we're going to engrave. Make sure our settings are correct for the hot foil pin, and it's installed in the basic tool. We chose a 3mm basswood material for this. Use the default settings from xTool, and then go ahead and process it for engraving. So out of the box, just looking at comparison, I did a hot foil test with the embossing tool that actually comes with the M1 Ultra versus this new hot end, and I've got to say that it really blows it out of the water. Just super clean. It's a crisp image, other than smudges that were in my hot foil. It is really a clean image, and this was done with the thin tip. It does come with 2 additional tips that give you options for expanding your fill or even your outline when you're using this tool. Start to finish, this project took about 4 minutes to emboss. This project used a cherry scrap piece. Just wanted to try it out to see how it fared. I use this wood in most of my builds for my stripes that I sell, and I just gotta say that it really performed really well. I was concerned about the hardness of the wood and the embossing, but just using the standard settings that xTool has in their machine for the M1, using their creative software, it really pretty much flawless. Well, that kind of wraps up this video. I'm really looking forward to using this tool in the future. I think that it is going to be a valuable tool in my tool chest, and it's going to add to the creativity that I can do. Overall, I'm very excited to use this tool. I think it's going to offer a lot of opportunities for me to expand on the personalization that I already provide on the stripes and various projects that I sell on Etsy. Overall, I got to give xTool high marks on this one. As with everything else that xTool's been putting out, it's excellent craftsmanship, and it just absolutely nailed it compared to the regular embossing tool. I hope you enjoyed following along on this project, and if you're considering using this hot end for the M1 Ultra or even purchasing the M1 Ultra, I do have affiliate links for Amazon on my description below. If you found this content valuable, please give it a like and subscribe. And until next time, I'm Brad from My Simple Builds.